How to fix account locked Badoo error. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix the locked account error on Badoo. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to fix your account locked error on the Badoo app, there could be various reasons for this, and for this we have to contact the Badoo support team directly. So what I recommend you do is simply open your browser and type in Badoo locked account appeal. When you type in appeal locked account, you'll find the first link from Badoo that says contact. So tap on this contact button that you can see, and you can select a reason as to why you are contacting them, asking a question about your profile or whatever else. Type in your name and your email address and the message that you want to convey. If you have got a few screenshots about the locked account, make sure to enter that as well. And before you send this, make sure that your account was not at any type of violation and that you had not violated any sort of guidelines that they had. And just send your message and Badoo is going to get back to you, hopefully with a positive response. So I hope that this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.